Oh! This has been going on now 5 minutes. Avi is the Australian Shepherd. He's 5 months old. And TaiTai, he is 11 and a half. And he's been holding on to that pink toy for over 5 minutes. He's a Shiba Inu. TaiTai is my little guy. TaiTai won't give up. Avi's taking him for a ride on the hardwood floor. Wow. What a battle. Who's going to win? Who's going to win the rights to the pink toy? Who's going to win? I don't know. Look at TaiTai. He's got quite a grip there. And Avi's going around and around and around and around. I'm exhausted watching him. Wow, he just won't let it go. TaiTai. Wow. Look at those guys. Wow. TaiTai's just been going for a ride all over the floor. I had a big concern, you know, with TaiTai being 11 and getting another dog being a male. But it doesn't seem to be a problem. So I feel good about that. Although TaiTai is pretty tolerant, but only to a certain extent. He'll let Avi know when he's had enough. There we go. Round and around. Look at Tai. What a grip he's got. Wow. He just won't let that thing go. Avi won't give up either. Wow, look at those two. Wow, just going on and on and on and on. Wow, this is amazing. I'm going to post this on YouTube. I just can't believe how long Tai's been... Look at Avi. Avi's now tired. You know why? Because he's pulling around 37 pounds every single time. And although Avi is about 47 pounds, he's pulling 10 pounds more his weight. And why? Because TaiTai has problems standing. And he only has really 3 legs that he can use because one of the front legs is lame with a real big callus on it. That's the front left leg. You might be able to see the callus, you know, here and there. But, you know, he's on the floor a lot, and that's why there's so many scatter eggs in the house. But, you see? Still. Oh my God, this is going to go on and on and on, huh? See? You can see that callus on his left front leg. Ties up. Here comes the growling. Oh! I guess. TaiTai? You did a good job, honey. That was really, really good. Avi, you did a good job too. Oh, I think they're both panting. Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay, you want to say goodbye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.